The biggest lie you were ever told was this: study hard, get a degree, find a stable job, and you will be fine. Gen Z called that lie out, and they built millions instead. This is Gen Z Millionaire, Part 1. Let us go. Here is the truth nobody told you in school. The traditional path was designed for a world that no longer exists. Boomers followed it. It worked for them. Millennials followed it. They got buried in student debt, stagnant salaries, and broken promises. Then Gen Z arrived, and Gen Z did something radical. They stopped following, and they started questioning. Why does a 4-year degree cost more than a house? Why does a corporate job demand 40 hours a week but only pay you for survival? Why does the system reward time spent over results created? These are not rebellious questions. These are intelligent questions, and the answers led Gen Z to something powerful. Skills over credentials. Stop. Results over hours. Stop. Self-education over institutional permission. Stop. A 22-year-old today can learn coding on Free Code Camp for free, build a portfolio in 6 months, and land a remote job paying $80,000 a year. No degree required, no student loan required. Another 23-year-old learns copywriting on YouTube, takes one freelance client, delivers results, and builds to $4,000 a month in under 2 years. This is not fantasy. This is happening right now in 2026. The question Gen Z asks is simple. Is this path worth the cost? In time? In money? In opportunity? If yes, take it. If no, find another way. That questioning mindset is the foundation of everything. Stop. You cannot build wealth on a path you never examined. So your homework starting today is this. Write down every assumption you have about money, career, and success. Then ask one question. Next to each one, is this still true in 2026? You will be shocked by what you find. If this hit you, smash that like button right now. Subscribe, because Part 2 drops very soon, and it covers the tool that is multiplying every Gen Z income right now. Comment below. What is one rule you were taught about success that you now question? Let me know. See you in Part 2. The questioning has only just begun.